So let us now see the modern periodic table in its outline. Outline to some modern periodic table. Modern periodic table চাৰিটা block থাকে. That means blocks are the parts of the periodic table that contain elements. So 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, and ইয়াত থাকিব F block. Okay, so I already discussed S block elements. Last electron enters the S orbital. কোন কোন কিটা element থাকিব? Alkali metals থাকিব আৰু alkaline earth metals থাকিব S block. So why S block? Because the last electron in all of these elements, S block যিমান element থাকিব সবৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতে last electron to S orbital enter হ'ব. Similarly P block যিমান element আছে গোটেই কিটা element last electron to P orbital enter হ'ব. Similarly D block বুলি যেতিয়া আমি কম তেতিয়া সদায় last electron to D orbital enter হ'ব. Similarly F block যিমান element থাকিব তাৰ গোটেই element কিটা যিকিটা last যিটো electron হ'ব electronic configuration that electron will be in the F orbital. Now so these are called S block elements. P block elements, group 13 to 18, those are P block elements. Group 3 to 12 are D block elements. Group 1 and 2 they are S block elements, and F block elements we will discuss it later on. Okay, so now let us see. So the D block elements, the group 3 to 12 called D block elements or transition elements. Okay, so why they are called transition elements, we will discuss it later. Now so let us see the P block. So if we carefully see the P block of the periodic table, so P block of কোন কোন কিটা group থাকে? Group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So group 13 to start হয় boron পৰা, 14 to carbon পৰা, 15 to nitrogen পৰা, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So actually group 18 starts with helium. So this is actually period 2. So second period, first period of hydrogen or helium থাকিব. Okay, that means helium is a part of the P block. Helium, and when we consider the P block to start হয় boron পৰা আৰু শেষ হয় group 18. So group 13 to group 18. So this group 13 is called the boron group. This is the carbon group. Here যিমান element থাকিব that is called carbon group elements. This is the nitrogen group. So this is the oxygen group, which is also called, this is the chalcogen group. Okay, this is called chalcogen group. Oxygen group or element group chalcogen group বুলি কোৱা যায়. So this fluorine group is called halogen, and this group 18 is called noble gases. Okay, so why noble gases? Because they are not reactive. একো লগত react নকৰে, because the last orbital is fulfilled. Okay, so octet to complete হৈ থাকে, একাৰণে সিহঁতি একো reaction নকৰে. That is why they are called noble gases. Now so if we carefully see the number of valence electrons, so valence electrons in P block equals to 18 minus group number. Okay, not 18 minus group number. So the valence electron in P block is group number minus 10. Okay, so যদি মই কলো boron গ্ৰুপত valence electron কেটা থাকিব, so boron গ্ৰুপটো ক'ত থাকে? P ব্লকত থাকে, Group number 13 minus 10 equals to 3. So boronor outermost electron কেটা থাকে তিনটা থাকে similarly carbonot 4টা থাকে nitrogenot 5টা থাকিব oxygenot 6টা fluorinot 7টা neonot 8টা থাকিব okay now so this is how we find the number of valence electrons in p block element so let us now see the boron group so boron group কি কি থাকিব boron aluminium gallium indium and thallium so 5 elements are there boron boron is group 13 boron aluminium gallium indium and thallium so the if I consider boron this is 5 atomic number is 5 so electronic configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p1 okay for aluminium we have this is 13 okay it will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1 so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 okay so similarly if I will write for gallium it will be something after that 4s2 4p1 so if I write for indium I will get 5s2 5p1 okay so the general configuration for the this boron group elements is it is this one now ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈকে কি পালো মই this is the configuration for 1s2 2s2 2p6 so this is the configuration for neon okay so if I write for aluminium I get neon 3s2 3p1 is to 1s2 2s2 2p6 this is the configuration for neon that means a configuration to neon boli likhi dibo so neon followed by 3s2 3p1 so similarly boron boronor ক্ষেত্ৰত কি আহে boronor nearest noble gas to ki hai helium so 1s2 2s2 this is for helium so the configuration for boron I can write as helium so 1s2 is for helium so I can write helium 2s2 2p1 okay so similarly for gallium so boronor ক্ষেত্ৰত helium আছে aluminiumৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত neon আছে তেতিয়ালে galliumৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি noble gas থাকিব neonৰ তলত কি noble gas থাকে we get argon okay so that means for gallium the configuration I can write as so aluminiumৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈকে neon পালো তো neonৰ তলত কি হ'ব লাগে aluminiumৰ তলত যদি gallium থাকে neonৰ তলত কি থাকিব argon থাকিব that means ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈকে it is the configuration for argon okay so for gallium I can write argon 4s2 4p1 okay now that means the outermost electronic configuration so this is not the outermost this is the outermost electronic configuration for the boron group is ns2 np1 2s2 2p1 3s2 3p1 4s2 4p1 that means last dot ki ase ns2 np1 okay ns2 np1 so 3 valence electrons so 2 plus 1 3 valence electrons are so ns2 np1 is the outermost configuration for the boron group now that means boron aluminium gallium indium thallium so boronor ক্ষেত্ৰত helium 2s2 helium 2p1 2s2 2p1 this will be for helium tolta hai neon so boron to kuntu period thake second period so since it is in the second period we are getting 2 here aluminium to kuntu period thake third period that means we will get 3s2 3p1 so neonor tolot ki thake argon thake argon so gallium kuntu period thake gallium is in the fourth period that means we get 4s2 4p1. In let us now see for indium. Indium to কোনটো period থাকে? Indium is in the 6th period, 6 number period থাকে. 6 number period argon লগত কি থাকিব? Krypton. So since not 5th, not 6th, indium is in the 5th period. 5 number period থাকে. তেতিয়া হলে 5s2 5p1. Helium kryptonৰ তলত কি থাকিব? Xenon থাকিব. This helium is present in the 6th period. That means we will get 6s2 6p1. So in this way we write the electronic configurations. Okay, so boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Now similarly, if we see the group 14, that is the carbon group, which is p block, the last electron enters in the p orbital. So this is period 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So 5 elements. Now so if I see carbon, so the atomic number is 14, the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, so this is 1s2 for helium, that means we will have helium 2s2 2p2. Silicon or karne this will be, so carbon or karne 6, silicon or karne 14 hoy. Atomic number it will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2. So here par like 1s2 2s2 2p6 we have neon, that means I can write neon 3s2 3p2. Okay, so 3 ahile third period, that means germanium karone fourth period. Neon or tolot ki ahe? Argon ahe, that means it is argon 4s2 4p2. Okay, that means for T we have got krypton 5s2 5p2. For lead we have xenon 5s2 5p2. Okay, now so the outermost electronic configuration is ns2 np2. So for this carbon group elements. So if we see one more property of the this carbon group elements is, so what we can see is, so carbon is non-metal, silicon and germanium are metalloids, and tin and lead are metals. That means down the group the metallic character has increased. Okay, so down the group the metallic character has increased. So actually what we see is, so even if we are writing the configuration for germanium as this is argon 4s2 4p2, but to be more precise here মাজত আৰু কিছুমান ইলেক্ট্ৰন থাকিব. So argonৰ atomic number হল 18 19 20 21 22. That means in the middle we will have some electrons. So which electrons is 3d electrons. Okay, so 3d electron is থাকিব. So what I am trying to say is we are just considering the outermost electronic configuration. Here আগত বা মাজত কি আছে আমি এটো সোৱা নাই. So the outermost configuration is 4s2 4p2. That means ns2np2 for the carbon group. Okay, now so for if we see carbon element, so it has got very unique properties called tetravalency, and the other is called catenation. So catenation is ability to form chains. Okay, so what we get is organic compounds. Okay, so now if we see the nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon groups, so the general outermost configurations are ns2np3, ns2np4, ns2np5 and ns2np6 আগৰ নিচিনাকৈ যিটো গৈছিলে আমাৰ. So ns2np3, ns2np4, ns2np5, ns2np6. So these are the outermost shellot কেইটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন আছে. N tells us the shell. Okay, outermost shellot কেইটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন আছে. So 5টা ইলেক্ট্ৰন আছে outermost shellot. outermost shellot 6টা আছে, outermost shellot 7টা আছে, outermost shellot 8টা আছে. That means complete octet. That means this fluorine group will require 1 electron for octet completion. This group will require 2 electrons. Okay, so 2 electrons and 1 electron respectively for completion of their octet. So now if we see for p block, the outermost configuration is the general outermost configuration is ns2 np126. Okay, so ns2 np126, that means last electron to p orbital of small. So this is about p block elements. So if we see the d block elements, now so remember when we are studying the periodic table, the n will tell me about the period. Okay, n or value to period ro kotha kobo. Okay, so the jodi moi kom p block element, that means the last cell, the principal quantum number for that cell will be n. Okay, and that cell will be np, that subcell will be np. Okay, so if I see d block, that will be nd. Okay, so n will tell me about the period. For example, jodi moi consider koru je let me consider an element such as scandium. Scandium is present in third period, not third period, fourth period. That means n will be equal to 4. That means 4d will be filled. Okay, not 4d. Yes, so I will tell you. So if the glitch that we have in d block elements is, so if the element is in the nth period, যদি element to nth period থাকে তেতিয়া হলে n-1 d orbital to fill hobo. So the last d orbital that will be filled will be n-1 d. That means jodi if I consider scandium is present in fourth period. That means since it is a d block element, the here n equals to 4, that means n-1 equals to 3. That means the 3d orbital will fill. 3d orbital will fill. All transition metal ba all d block metal bor karone যিটো পিৰিয়ড হ'ব সেই পিৰিয়ডটোৰ কৰস্পন্ডিং ডি অৰ্বিটেল কিটা ফিল নহয়, তাতকে এঘাত তলৰ ডি অৰ্বিটেল কিটাহে ফিল হ'ব। So for example, if I see scandium, the atomic number is 21. If I write the electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, 3d. So scandium to থাকে fourth period থাকে কিন্তু 3d orbital রে ফিল হইছে। Okay, so this is the thing that we have for d block elements. Okay, now